up, everybody? I am back with another video, and in today's video I will be doing a review of the September 2020 Curlbox, which is featuring part 2 of the AfroSheen line. As you all know, I think it was back in March, they did a non-subscription AfroSheen Curlbox, and it had the leave-in, it had the foam, it had the slick back styler, it had the gel and oil. And so this time around, I guess they decided that we want to give people the rest of the line. However, this box repeats the leave-in again, which I don't know how I feel, but whatever. If you saw my previous video on that curl box, then you know that I went out and bought the curl cream because I wanted to try all 4 of the stylers. So I have the curl cream, obviously I have the leave-in, and I have the butter. So I have 3 out of the 5 products that are in this AfroSheen curl box. So honestly, I'm not going to use the blowout spray or the AfroSheen. Knowing that I'm not really going to use the blowout spray and more than likely won't use the AfroSheen, I am going to be giving the box away. So here's the box. Okay. I only opened it for the purposes of showing you what's in it and what you'll be getting. So there's a crack right here from, I guess, it being too stuffed. I didn't do that. Okay. This is the box. Okay. This is the card. I'm not going to get into all of, it's cool, y'all. Here's the blowout spray. This is the leave-in, which again, I already have. This is the curl cream, which I already have. This is the butter, which I already have. And then this is the AfroSheen. Well, glow up shine spray, but it's AfroSheen's AfroSheen, okay? So I'm going to be giving this box away. If you're interested in winning this box, you have to enter down below. I haven't decided yet if I'm going to post this on my other social medias or just keep this exclusive to YouTube. Either way, this is what you're going to have to do. You're going to have to comment down below any kind of blue emojis that you want to comment. It doesn't matter to me, but any kind of blue emojis that you want to comment, that'll let me know that you're entering into the giveaway. Now, any other comments you want to leave, make that a separate comment. Don't put your comments about my review on this same comment as the blue emojis. I need separation. Only do 1 blue emoji comment. 1. I'm going to do this for a week. I'm going to have this video up, but this giveaway is going to be within this video. So unlike my previous giveaway where you can't see that video anymore, I made it private. This is going to stay up because I'm doing my full curl box review within this video. So 1 week from when you see this video go up, that's it. I will leave a comment under your comment and tell you to send me your email address, and then I'm going to email you. Really, you need to make sure that you're getting email notifications, okay? But if you're not somebody who checked their email, then make sure you come back to this video in a week and see if I left a comment under your comment. But I would turn on email notifications if I were you. Okay, so I wanted to hop on real quick. I've already twisted up a majority of my head, but I wanted to come on real quick and show you all how my hair looks like after it dries for a little while. You see the little curls on the end? Yeah, so I just wanted to show y'all that, and I wanted to come in and do a couple of twists on camera. I have a 3-strand twist video that I'll link down below if you haven't seen it already. But I'll just put myself in the eye. I'll show y'all a couple, the best that I can, real quick. If you haven't watched my video on how I felt about all of the stylers, in particular this one, because obviously this is the one that's in the box this month, and make sure you go back and watch that. So I put it into 3 pieces, okay? 1 here, 1 here, 1 here, okay? I got this one, then I grab this one, and I keep this one down here. So however you need to get your grip, all right? So they're already starting to cross. So then I take, what's the best way to explain it? I take this one, I take this hand and I grab this piece of hair. Then I take these two fingers and grab this piece, okay? So my thumb and my index. Then I take my middle finger and grab this piece by my eye, okay? And then I change my grip so I can have this in my index and thumb. And then I go the same way. So, oh, well, not my index and thumb. Technically, it's my, ooh, child. Y'all, everybody will be different. This is how I grab. So I take my index and thumb and grab the next piece. Middle. So I'm doing everything with my index and thumb or my middle finger. My mouth probably is wide open. I'm gonna have to edit that out. And I keep my fingers up. That was my biggest thing when I did my tutorial some time back. Keep your fingers perpendicular with your twist. Don't drop them down. That'll probably give you a more extended twist, but it won't give you the most defined twist. And now I'm just going in regular speed, okay? Or if you have a leg that runs out of hair, you just combine it with one of the other legs and just do a regular 2-strand twist. You can detangle again if you need to. Add more product is what I'm doing because I need a trim. So it's been 3 months or coming up on 3 months. So it's time for another one. Everybody might be different, but for me, I'm solid at 3 months. Okay, so here's my hair. It is now dry. And I'm going to separate my twist with the AfroSheen butter. So here's the container. Here's what it looks like on the inside. This smells good, okay? Just taking some out. The same way I would do an oil, only this is a butter. This smells so good, y'all. Woo! I love this kind of stuff. Turn it into a butter in my fingers, and I'm just going to run this along my twist. Look at that. I'm stupid. Yes, ma'am. Look at that, y'all. Woo. It already had a sheen to it with just the curl cream, but with the butter, in the words of Manny MUA, chef's kiss. Okay, so these are my finished results. Minus this little frizz, this is self-inflicted, okay? I shouldn't have done a flat twist into a 3-strand twist. I should have just did it. Never mind that, okay? Get into the rest of it. The shine of it all. And I didn't use no pics. I don't know how the back looked, to be honest with you. I didn't look. But looking at it in my mirror looks fine. I don't know. It might not have that much volume. It's neither here nor there. Look at the definition. Look at the sheen, okay? I don't even know the last time I did a twist out. And my curls is popping. My curls is popping ton, okay? Leave-in curl cream butter. That's it. That's it. That's all, okay? I laid my edges down with my edge control that I like, okay? I like it. All right, so if you like these results, give the video a thumbs up. If you don't like the results, you can give the video a thumbs down. I don't care what you do. Comment down below if you've tried any of the products in this complete line. If you would like to try any of the products. Share, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.